Hello guys, today we are going to see a simple application that we are going to develop for the Android devices, and the platform that I'm going to use is Android Studio. So the application will simply be show you a text over your Android application. The text is hello world. So for this you simply start your Android Studio and then click on start a new Android project. Once you start it, it will ask you to application name. We'll call it hello world. Okay, the name should signify this is the name that your application is going to display on it, the name of your application actually. So click next. Here you have to select any of the option, the platform, the device for which you are going to use. We have selected phone, and we can simply say we have selected phone and tablet. Click next. Choose blank activity and click next. Then this window, from this window you can simply click on finish. Your components, your project is basically initialized. Once it is initialized, only then we can proceed on. Okay. So you have to wait for its initializations. It is building actually. So now you can see this window. This is the window once your project is being created. At the bottom you can see two processes are running. This will simply showing that your process is getting initialized. So initializing, rendering libraries, you have to wait. Okay, till then I'll show you something. Okay, so this is a simple application. We are not going to add any of the GUI element, any of the controls on your app. We are simply going to run it. So for that I'll show you two things. You have two ways to run your applications. One, by making use of this emulator. The other one is by connecting your device. I'm not going to show you how to run by making use of emulator, because it will cost me a lot of time, and it is a bit time consuming process. What I'm simply going to show you is how you will run your application by making use of your own Android phone. Once you run it, you will have that application installed on your device, and once that application is installed on your device, you can simply run it. For that, just go to this SDK manager. Here you can click on SDK tools and check whether your Google USB drivers has been installed, because these drivers are basically necessary to connect your device to the laptop, and this has to be installed because this is the driver that will actually required for your Android Studio. Click OK. We have checked it. So this is the interface, this is the device, the text that is shown here is this hello world. This is going to be shown on your applications. What you simply have to do, you have to connect your device by making use of USB to the Android phone through the laptop. Okay, so you just click on this arrow where the arrow has been shown, where the cursor has been shown. Okay, now you have a new window obtained. Here you can see this Xiaomi Android device has been connected. This is the device that I have been connected to my laptop. So simply click OK. Once you click OK, a message will obtained on my device. After the building process that is shown below is completed, a message will be given on my device that will ask me to install the applications. Once I install the application, that application will automatically run on my device. So this is the simple application. We haven't added any of the element from this particular area to our application. We haven't do anything. We simply created an application, and this is the default application that this is the default text that is shown, a string hello world that is going to be displayed when my application is run on my device. We have to wait until the process is completed, because your application is being builded. We have to wait. Till then I'll show you one thing. If you want to run it by making use of your emulator, then you have to select any of your emulator. If you want to create your own emulator, you can go to the create virtual device, and after that you can go to the new hardware profile. If you don't want to go, you can have many of your configuration here. Click OK, click cancel, because I'm not going to use it. Okay, so your application is being builded. Yeah, you have to wait. Till then I'll show you something. Okay, so your application has been built. Once it is built, you will have a message on your device which is going to ask you to install. Once I install it, your application will be run on your device. That you can check yourself. I have obtained the message on my device. Okay, so thank you very much. That's it for the video.